Understanding out of the wind, a simple guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, out of the wind. This idiom might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this expression. Out of the wind is an idiomatic expression that means being in a place where the wind is blocked, essentially finding shelter from the wind. It's often used metaphorically to talk about finding relief from difficulties or challenges. For example, if someone says, "I finally found a job and am out of the wind," it means they found relief from the stress of job hunting. Understanding the origins of idioms can be fascinating. The phrase, out of the wind, likely comes from a very literal situation, seeking shelter from cold or harsh winds. Over time, it evolved to have a figurative meaning, representing safety or relief from any kind of harsh conditions in life, not just the weather. Using idioms correctly can be a bit tricky, but with practice, it becomes easier. Here are a few examples. After months of uncertainty, getting that scholarship felt like I was finally out of the wind. They moved their picnic under the trees to be out of the wind. Notice how the phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. There are many idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, out of the woods also means to be free from difficulty or danger. Comparing such idioms can help you understand the nuances of English expressions better. And that's a wrap on out of the wind. I hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun way to make your English more colorful and expressive. Keep practicing, and you'll be using them like a native in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.